Hi, I'm Dominique from Jobber. You can quickly schedule new visits for multiple jobs at once. This is a great workflow for snow removal, since you don't know which days it will snow, but it's good for other situations as well. First thing we need to do is create a recurring job for each property that we want to be included in our snow removal season. Make sure you set the duration to cover the entire snow season. It's better to go longer than it is to go shorter. For the visit frequency, you will need to set this as needed, we won't prompt you. This way, you can create visits when it snows. It is a good idea to include a job title for your snow removal jobs. You can use this job title to filter the job when you are creating the visits. This can also be done with specific line items, as seen later on in this video. Another way you can further filter the jobs when creating the visits is using tags. I have tagged my clients based on north side or south side area of the city. I will be able to create visits for my north side locations separately from my south side locations. Let's take a look. From any schedule view, click More Actions, Visits. The first options you have here are for filtering the jobs so that you can select the jobs you want to create visits for. This is where our job title, line items, and tags will come in handy. The first filter option is with no incomplete visits before, and the default is today. In most situations, you would leave this as today. What this means is that the jobs will have to have no incomplete past due visits. So if a job isn't showing on your list here, that is most likely why. For the description, this is where we put the job title. We used snow removal. That will filter our list further. We can include the line item snow removal. This won't change for now, as every job we've titled snow removal also had this line item. But we can also use these tags. For now, I'll just create visits for the north side customers. Once you have filtered your jobs, you can select them from the list on the left, or from the map here as well. Once all the jobs you want to create visits for are selected, click Next in the top right. Choose the date you want the visits for, assign your team, and you can set instructions for all the visits as well. Let's make some visits. You will be taken back to the Schedule New Visits page so that you can repeat this step for other filter options. So to get those south side jobs. This tool takes a bit of time to set up in advance, but will save a ton of time on those early morning snow days. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our Help Center or our other videos.